We are not Carrie Minati. Neither are we here to create another Byju's.
इस चैनल का एम आपको आपके टैलेंट और पैशन की पॉसिबिलिटीज से अवेयर कराना है. इट्स टाइम फॉर द इंडियन यूथ टू क्रिएट ब्रांड्स, बिल्ड बिजनेसेस एंड पेव द वे टू अ बेटर नेशन.
इस चैनल पे की गई सारी बातें हमारा पर्सनल ओपिनियन और एक्सपीरियंस है. इफ यू हैव एनी सजेशंस और कंसर्न्स, we are always open for communication.
I had a goal. You see, if you don't have a vision of where you go, and if you don't have a goal where you go, you drift around and you never end up anywhere.
Our vision started at Opulence Residency Manipal. During our time at MIT, we explored many possibilities, met amazing people with immense talents in various fields.
Hi, I'm Chinmay.
Hi, I'm Siddharth.
And this is the Opulence Crew.
We felt that India is not aware of the opportunities that the world has to offer. Engineering, medical, government job या सिर्फ 9 to 5 ही earning का main source नहीं होता है. You can follow your dreams and create a successful career in whatever field you want to.
Take Ranveer for example. He started his YouTube journey from posting health tips, fitness tips, and some other entertaining content. Now he has grown to be one of the most viewed podcasts in the country. As he also talks about the flaws in our Indian education system, let's go through some interesting facts about the same.
Less than half of India's children between the age of 6 and 14 go to school. And even if they complete their high school education, only 20% of the habitation has a secondary school.
As per the census of 2011, 21% of India's population lives under the poverty line. High poverty rates lead to high dropout rates for children.
Income of 97% families has declined since COVID began. Unemployment rate was 8% in April and is increasing constantly with nearly 12% reported in May.
And amongst all this, according to a recent study reported by Times of India, 43% of Indian students are suffering from mild, moderate, or severe depression.
The biggest issue is that there hasn't been a significant change in the core structure of our Indian education system since it was introduced.
With the world constantly changing and evolving, there needs to be an update in the education system for the youth to stay updated and be successful in the modern world.
But there is hope. India has the third largest startup ecosystem in the world, which is expected to witness a consistent annual growth of 12 to 15%.
Significantly, the number of women entrepreneurs stood at 14%, up from 10 and 11% in the previous 2 years.
Today, India is home to 21 unicorns, valued at $73 billion. By some estimate, more than 50 startups might join the unicorn club as early as 2022.
So join us on the journey to find new opportunities,
Connect with interesting people
learn from their perspectives,
and unlock our true potential.
We hope we can inspire our audience to follow their dreams
Or at least give it a try.